Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact Expur Chomik requirements and why this matters. The spawn responds to level and gear thresholds. Once done, equip your recommended loadout and head to the northern gate at dawn to match spawn timing. Make sure you carry a half stack of healing potions and one crowd control tool. You should activate stealth or a cloak immediately to bypass early patrols. Doing this saves time and reduces risk, so you keep the window open for the only way approach. You move into the core steps, trigger the lure sequence with the bait, then retreat to a 15 to 20 meter safe distance so you control engagement timing. As the Expur Chomik approaches, observe its behavior window. At the third approach, you apply a single target stun to lock it down. Then rotate your interrupts and cast a 30% power burst when that vulnerable frame opens, because chaining these actions prevents escape and ensures the creature stays in capture range until the containment trigger. You complete the sequence by deploying the containment net during the final stun window and watching the capture meter hit 100%. That final timing is critical. If the Expur Chomik flees, immediately use a sprint burst to pursue and reapply the lure within 45 seconds to keep spawn timers favorable. If you fail twice, reset by returning to base, swapping bait type, and waiting 10 minutes before retrying. This cooldown prevents spawn lockouts and increases your chance on the next attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.